Want to know some secret YouTube hacks that can change your user experience? Picture this. You're navigating the vast universe of YouTube when suddenly your journey becomes smoother, more tailored, and incredibly efficient. Intrigued yet? We're about to spill the beans on 10 secret YouTube hacks that will revolutionize the way you use this platform. These are secrets that can elevate your YouTube game to a whole new level. So fasten your seatbelts, folks. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 secret YouTube hacks. Starting with hack number 10, master the keyboard shortcuts. Imagine a world where you can navigate YouTube without even touching your mouse. Welcome to the world of keyboard shortcuts where everything is at your fingertips. Literally. To pause or play a video, just press the spacebar or K. Want to rewind or fast forward? Use the left and right arrow keys. If you're in the mood for a sound check, the up and down arrows control the volume. Now here's a couple of shortcuts you might not know. Press J to rewind 10 seconds and L to fast forward the same amount. If you're on a video binge, Shift plus N will take you to the next video in a playlist, while Shift plus P will take you back to the previous one. And for the cherry on top, press F and you're in full screen mode. So bid goodbye to your mouse and speed up your YouTube navigation with these keyboard shortcuts. Moving on to hack number 9, the loop function. Now this is a little gem that's especially handy for all you music aficionados out there. The loop function is an easy way to have your favorite track or video on repeat, without having to manually hit replay each time it ends. Imagine you're deeply engrossed in a task. Maybe it's studying for an exam, working on a project, or perhaps just chilling out. Wouldn't it be great if you could have your favorite tune playing in the background on a continuous loop, without any interruptions? Exactly. That's where the loop function comes into play. To activate it, simply right-click on the video you're watching, then select Loop from the drop-down menu. Just like that, your video will play on repeat until you decide to stop it. It's as simple as that. With the loop function, never worry about hitting replay on your favorite songs. Next up, hack number 8, the transcript trick. Picture this. You're watching a lecture, a documentary, or perhaps an interview, and you want to refer back to a specific point made. Instead of rewinding and fast-forwarding in a seemingly endless cycle, you can simply pull up the video transcript. To access this, click on the 3 dots below the video on the right, then select Open Transcript. Voila, you've got a complete time-stamped transcript in front of you. It's not just a tool for reference, though. It's also a great way to find specific quotes, to better understand what's being said in a different language, or even to sneak a peek at the content before watching the video. So the next time you're trying to track down a particular segment, or you want to jump to a key point without the guesswork, remember this trick. With the transcript trick, you can now navigate through videos with ease. At number 7, we have the restricted mode. Did you know there's a way to filter out potentially mature content that you may prefer not to see or don't want others using your device to stumble upon? Yes, it's called the restricted mode. This is an optional setting that you can use to help screen out potentially objectionable content that you may prefer not to see or don't want others in your household to view. To activate it, scroll to the bottom of any YouTube page and click on the drop-down menu where it says Restricted Mode Off. Simply toggle it to On, and voila, you've activated restricted mode. Remember, this setting is browser-specific, so you'll need to activate it for each browser you use. While restricted mode isn't 100% accurate, it's a fantastic tool that can help you control the content that comes up on your feed, especially if you have little ones around or simply want a cleaner YouTube experience. Keep your YouTube experience clean and safe with the restricted mode. Moving swiftly to hack number 6, the picture-in-picture mode. This feature is an absolute game changer for all the multitaskers out there. Picture-in-picture mode, or PIPI as it's often abbreviated, allows you to watch a video in a small, resizable window that can be moved anywhere on your screen. This means that you can continue watching your favorite content while simultaneously browsing other tabs or even different applications. Imagine being able to keep up with the latest vlogs while responding to emails, or catching up on a tutorial while working on a project. It's multitasking at its finest. To enable this, simply right-click twice on the video you're watching and select Picture in Picture. Voila! Your video will now play in a small window that you can move and resize to your liking. So why not boost your productivity and entertainment in one fell swoop? Multitask like a pro with the picture in picture mode. Halfway through our list, at number 5, the dark theme. Let's dive into the world of late-night YouTube browsing. Ever noticed how the glaring white screen can be a bit harsh on your eyes in the dark? That's where the dark theme steps in. This feature transforms your YouTube interface into a more subdued, dark-colored version. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about comfort and eye health too. The dark theme reduces the strain on your eyes, especially during those late-night binge-watching sessions. It's a secret weapon for those of us who love to explore the depths of YouTube when the rest of the world is asleep. Activating the dark theme is simple. You can find it in your account settings, and with just a click you can switch between the standard light theme and the dark theme. So why not give your eyes a break? Make late-night YouTube browsing comfortable with the dark theme. At number 4 we have the custom subscriptions. Now this is a game changer for those who subscribe to a multitude of channels and find it challenging to keep tabs on their favorite content. Here's how you can create custom subscription lists for a more organized YouTube experience. First, head over to the Subscriptions tab on your YouTube homepage. From there, you will see an option to create. Click on this and give your new list a name. You can create multiple lists based on your interests, say tech updates, cooking channels, music artists, and so on. Once you've created your lists, you can start adding channels to them. Simply go to the channel page, click on the Subscribed button, and select the list you want to add it to. Voila! You've just personalized your YouTube experience. No more sifting through a cluttered subscription feed. You can now jump right into the content you crave most. Organize your subscriptions and never miss a video with custom subscriptions. Entering the top 3 with hack number 3, the incognito mode. Now, this is a feature that's been borrowed from our favorite web browsers, and it's all about privacy. You see, the incognito mode is a special browsing mode where none of your activity is recorded. No search history, no video views, nothing. It's like you were never there. Imagine you're wanting to surprise a loved one with a particular song or video, and you don't want your search history to spoil the surprise. Incognito mode has you covered. Or perhaps there are times when you want to explore content that's a little different from your usual preferences, without altering your YouTube algorithm. Again, incognito mode is your secret agent. But remember, while incognito mode keeps your YouTube activity private, it doesn't make you invisible on the internet. Your internet service provider, employer, or school can still see your activity. Maintain your privacy on YouTube with the incognito mode. Almost at the top, at number 2, the playback speed control. This nifty feature allows you to speed up or slow down the video playback, putting you in control of the rhythm of your content. Ever felt like a tutorial is dragging on? Speed it up. Want to savor every moment of a music video or catch the finer details of a documentary? Slow it down. To use this feature, simply click on the gear icon located in the video player, then select Playback Speed. Here you'll find options ranging from 1/4 of the normal speed all the way up to twice as fast. The playback speed control is not just about convenience, it's also a great tool for learning. You can slow down instructional videos to follow along at your own pace or speed up lectures to absorb information more quickly. Take control of your viewing experience with the playback speed control. And finally, at number 1, the ultimate YouTube hack, the stats for nerds. This feature is an absolute treasure trove for the detail-oriented among us. Tucked away in your right-click menu, it provides a wealth of information about the video you're watching. Firstly, it gives you a fascinating peek under the hood at YouTube's video and audio codecs, allowing you to see the intricate technical details of how the video and audio are being delivered to your device. It's like having a backstage pass to the workings of YouTube's engine room. It also gives you real-time data on network activity, showing you how much data your video is consuming at any given moment. This can be incredibly useful if you're trying to monitor your data usage or troubleshoot streaming issues. And if you're a bit of a video quality snob, you'll appreciate the detailed stats on frame rate and resolution. You can even see if frames are being dropped during playback. Become a YouTube wizard with the stats for nerds. So there you have it. The top 10 secret YouTube hacks. We've journeyed through the quicksilver shortcuts of the keyboard, looped in the endless potential of the loop function, decoded the transcript trick, navigated the restricted mode, and glimpsed into the picture-in-picture mode. We've also embraced the allure of the dark theme, fine-tuned our custom subscriptions, gone undercover with incognito mode, and mastered the art of controlling playback speed. And let's not forget our rendezvous with stats for nerds. Try these hacks today and revolutionize your YouTube experience.